Hey everyone, it's Anthony and Bianca, and right now we are at the Hyde Park Animal Hospital. And what we did here is we've worked for the past year to get a beautiful ground mount approved that's finally sitting right over there. So it took just under a year. We started this project, when was it, Bianca?
A little under a year ago, I would say last summer. Towards the end of the summer is when we started with the building permits, and it took some time to get this one approved, but we did. Now we got to install it, and here it is.
There was a lot of different technicalities that went into this. For instance, look at all of the rock. This is all rock drilled. So we use no footings. These are all helical posts that are drilled directly into the ground. And our panels are sitting on top of the racking system. We use 3 beautiful SMA inverters that are sitting over there, and we'll get a little up close with it just so you can get a better idea. It's always nice to come to a job site when no one's here and get to look over all the fine details of it. The panels we used are 360 watt panels from SunPower, high efficiency SunPower panels. Why Dr. Minster loved this from the Hyde Park Animal Hospital. They're here for the long term. They want this system to produce the most over time. They're not worried about, day one getting the absolute cheapest cost. What he's looking for is the most savings over time. And that's why we went with the SunPower X22 360 watt modules. You could see here we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high on the ground mount, and we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide. So 6 high, 5 wide, 1 stacked in front of the other. And look how tight we had to make it. You see the rock ledge sticking up over there, and you could see the rock over here. Our team did an absolutely beautiful job getting this ground mount and all of the helical piles in the ground. It's amazing what they could do, especially drilling through this the whole way. These helical posts go down roughly 6 to 7 feet, so that's no easy task. You can see here our bottom line. These are our end clamps holding the panels onto the rail, and these are our mid clamps holding them onto the rail as well. Some of the things I look for when I come to a job site just to check out is the wires, wire management under the array. Don't want the wires tight, but you want them snug up against the rail, just so everything looks very neat and very clean. All the circuits are run properly, but you don't want them too tight because you don't want to crimp the wire and have a ground fault a couple years down the road. So those are still hanging on there from being fresh out of the box. I'll show you the back plate here of the panel. $360 watt SunPower panels. It's pretty cool standing behind it. You could see where the cells separate and the sun coming in between. What makes us different in the way we do systems, besides the way we install it, these SunPower cells, Maxion technology, most power per square foot. Look what we have here, very limited space. Even though we have a ground mount, we don't have a lot of space. Confined by the rock wall, we're talking matter of feet. We want to produce as much power as possible in the limited space we have, as well as the most power over time. Anything else you would add to this project, or?
No, it's a beautiful system. It's 2 systems. It's amazing when you look at the space. You don't know of course we know, but if you're driving by, you're like, how can you fit 2 huge ground mounts back there?
Yeah.
Well, you can. We did.
We're happy we got to show you this. If you're in Hyde Park and you want to go to a veterinary clinic that's 100% powered by renewable energy, this is your spot, the Hyde Park Animal Hospital. They're also going to put in an electric car charging station. So Pretty cool stuff over here, and we're glad we got to take you on this virtual tour of the Hyde Park Animal Hospital solar system that's powering the animal hospital with 100% renewable energy.
It's a hot day. This is perfect day for solar.
Absolutely. We'll talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. If you're in Hyde Park and you'd like to know more about solar for your home or your business, please contact us today at 877-SOLAR95, or you could visit our website at buysolarlocal.com.